Hey guys, Nari Naraga here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday night. Sorry, you got bugs everywhere. It is summer. Um, Again, I will not have any karaoke videos for you guys. I'll spare you. Because, karaoke's just not happening tonight. Hope the guy's okay. My buddy Kirak's alright. Anyway, big shout out to the guy who found my purse hanging on a hook. I had forgotten that the Walmart shareholders are in town, and I'd left one of my purses unattended. He gave it to the bartender to hide behind the bar, and that's always it's cool to see people like that, because I've had enough stories stolen thanks to my stupidity. I have no one to blame but myself for the first story. Anyway, enough lamenting. I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday night. Those of you who are getting storms, stay safe. And I will leave you with what I caught of the train going by. Caught it halfway through, but I think halfway through. It's kind of starting to slow down. Is it gonna stop? It's usually speeding up by now. People are taking pictures and filming the train. It's so funny. The Walmart shareholders are in town. I guess they're not used to it. It's really cool, actually. I wonder how many places the train goes right through the entertainment district. Holy. And there they go. Well, there it goes. Still creeping along over there. Sorry I didn't catch much of it, but, like I didn't even see the engine or anything. Maybe I can get another one a little later on of it. Anyway, you guys have a good night, and I think for now I will head along home, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.